Hello, everybody. Um, I had an idea to share something on YouTube, and what I wanted to do is basically give a basic painting class and share with my friends and family, anybody that wants to get into painting. I do it because it relaxes me, and there's a whole lot of things going on in the world right now, and I find that painting relaxes me and it eases my stress level, and I really enjoy it. I find it fun. So if you're into painting or if you want to get into art, I encourage you to get into art. Why? Even if you don't think you create masterpieces, I do believe that everyone has artistic ability and they just don't explore it. So before we get started, a few ground rules. Whenever you begin to create or paint or write or dance or whatever you do it just for the fun of it, for the art, for the ability to create. And if you mess up, that's okay. Paint over it, start over. But just a few things about painting. One, I don't really wear aprons, so I wear clothes that I don't mind getting paint on. Also, my wife, my lovely wife Donna, has given me a room where I keep all my paint in one space, so I want to thank her for that. And um, what you will need in order to paint. You will need a canvas. This is a 12 by 16 canvas. You will need paint. I use acrylic paint, and you will need some brushes. And you're gonna need some water to rinse your brushes off. So I have, and you're gonna need a rag to wipe off your brushes in case. So here is what I would suggest. Um, I would use, and I have all kinds of brushes, but I would go to Walmart or Hobby Lobby and get one of those $5 or $6 brush sets, and it has multiple brushes in it. And here's the three that I would get, or the three sizes that I would get. I get one medium sized brush, one a little bit smaller, and one with a fine point. Also, if you don't want to get the bigger canvases, you can get canvases just about at any size. This is a 12 by 16. But if you're beginning and you just want to do real inexpensive, you can go to Hobby Lobby or Walmart and get canvas panels. And this is what they look like. And there's 3 in a pack or 5 in a pack, and they're really inexpensive. And it's great for kids if you want to share painting with your children or your grandchildren, and it's fun. So what I'm going to do today is basically I'm just going to do not something. I'm going to do something that's quite simple. I'm going to paint a sunset, and I'm going to use primary colors, basically red, white, and blue. And so to get started, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to actually mix some colors. So, red, blue, and yellow. And I want to thank my high school art teacher for teaching me this, are primary colors. And you can mix primary colors to get secondary or tertiary colors. I forgot the exact name. And I want to make something orange. So I'm going to mix a little yellow and red to get orange. And let's see. I'm going to try to make a little orange because we're going to do a sunset. And I want to start off maybe in the middle of the canvas. And I want to do like this, and do like this. And you can see I'm not doing anything perfect. And because this is ultimately going to be some water, I want to do something to make it look like the reflection is on the water. So we're going to do that. And because sunsets in Panama City. We're gonna throw a little of this orange up here. I'm gonna throw a little on the side. Then I'm gonna grab some of my white. And I'm gonna fill that in. You see how that picks up that color? Gonna put in that white there. Just fill that in. And if you want to use different colors, that's fine. Take some more white, fill that in. And if the colors mix a little bit, that's okay. They spread a little bit, that's okay. Because it's going to add to the look of the painting, I think. So we're going to do that. Fill that in a little more. Fill that in. You're going to wipe it off. Now, you don't really have to wipe the brush off with water for this point, but I will take the rag and get some of that red off. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some blue in the sky. And we're just going to do like that. Nice, easy strokes. Nice, easy strokes. And if you've ever been to the beach around here, for those of you who don't know where I live in Panama City, Florida. And we have some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. And this even stroke, these strokes just relax me, make me feel good. So you put some of that in there. And just smooth it out. Just smooth it out. Woo-wee. Just play with the paint. Now, I want you to dip it in the water. Oh, you probably need an old cup or something. I forgot to tell you that. And then I'm going to take this, and I want the water to be darker than the sky. So I'm going to take the blue, and as you see, I didn't put any white down here. I want you to fill that in. And when I'm doing this, it relaxes me. I think lowers my blood pressure. Just fill it in. And I got a little secret to tell you all. I've shot this video a couple of times, not because I messed up the painting, it's because when I tried to upload it, I got the painting piece down. It's the technical stuff with the uploading on YouTube and the camera angles. So now I have a great respect for bloggers. Okay. So now that we got the water in, I'm gonna switch brushes. I'm gonna use this size brush, and I wanna add some waves to my water. So you do that, and you can either do strips like that, or you can do curves, or you can do a mixture of the two. So what I would do is add some waves, and I'll put some waves in the orange to make it seem like there's a reflection on the water. And so you put waves in. You put waves in. Ooh. And then if you want to get kind of wild with it, you can add some blue to add texture to the water. If you want to get different size waves, you can even choose another brush, like the fine tip brush. Go in and add some blue. And what I want to do with this, I like adding clouds. And I want to put some clouds in the sky. We can put some clouds in the sky. And you can make them look like this, or you can add a stroke. And if you've seen the beautiful sunsets in Panama City, you know that there are hints of red in the sky. So you can take red and put it in the sky. And you'll probably see some reflections of red in the sea. But the painting is yours to do with as you please. So what I would do, if I were you, is add all the color that you like. I like color. And I like my paintings to be colorful. But if you don't, it's all good. It's on you. So you don't have to worry about that. I'm gonna take some of my orange that I had, and I'm gonna put it in here. And so the last thing, and not the last thing, but you can see, and I think I'm gonna add this just for some contrast to make it look interesting. I'm gonna put a red cloud or a couple of red clouds by the sun. Cause I was driving the other day and the sun kind of looked like that. So, on any great artist or any artist adds their name or their signature to the painting when they finish, I'm gonna add my name. I would encourage you to do the same. And if you would like, I can do another video and show you how to add a tree or something later. But this is a basic sunset. I've enjoyed creating it. We got some clouds and things. But more than anything, I use this to relax. And like I said, with everything going on in the world, we need to find ways to relieve our stress. So I'd encourage you to do that. I want to thank everybody who supports my art. I want to thank the Panama City Center for the Arts, who just recently gave me an art show, and I appreciate that. I want to thank the people who supported my art and who've purchased art from me in the past. If you like this, if you want me to continue to do this, I'd ask that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can search Painting Principle on YouTube, and we can do some more videos like this one. This is my first one. Well, this is actually my third attempt at a video, but this is my first one that I'm gonna post. And I thank you so much. And just a message to all of those out there. We're all dealing with this coronavirus issue. I ask that you follow the directions of your local officials. For the students and the young people that attend our schools, particularly Rutherford, where I'm the principal, I ask that you all stay safe, stay healthy. We will get through this. We will share information as soon as we know about it, but just know that we care, we love you all. I want you to have a great day. Continue to be creative, continue to paint. We love you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.